Coach K community. Let's go ahead and get a full body workout using that lovely magic circle. Go ahead and grab that circle, roll out that mat, and let's get started. You're gonna take a seat onto your mat. You're gonna hook your right foot into one padded part of your ring. The left foot is gonna go flat onto the mat. The left knee is bent. Hands are going to hold the opposite side of your ring. You're going to reach your right leg out. You'll feel like a nice little hamstring stretch there. From there, you're going to tuck your pelvis. You're gonna slowly roll down. If you can, go for a full flat back here. Release the head, tuck the chin. Slow and controlled, peel all the way back on up to that seated position there. And again, tuck that pelvis, roll it on down. Reach that right leg up, pause. And again, tuck that chin, peel off, reach it on up, pause. 3 more, tuck that pelvis, roll it on down, reach that leg, and again, tuck that chin, slow and controlled, roll it on up. 2 more, roll, articulate that spine down. Release the head, tuck, and then roll all the way back on up. Last one here. Really tuck, really think about that articulation. Lay all the way down, head touch down, and tuck that chin. Slowly peel all the way up, and bring it on in. Right away to the other side. Hook your left foot in. Extend that left leg, and tuck and roll it on down. Bring it all the way down, tuck that chin, slow and controlled, peel it all the way up. And again, 4 more. You tuck, you roll down, reach that leg up, tuck the chin, peel all the way back on up. 3 more here. Again, you don't have to go all the way to a flat back. If you only want to hinge back a few inches and then come back up, you are more than welcome to. Modification always for this is put a pillow behind your back. Stack some blankets. That way it can help you support that low back as you flow up and down. And 2 more. Roll down, reach up, tuck the chin, slowly peel back on up. Last one here, let's go. Tuck that chin, roll down, reach that leg up, and tuck the chin. Roll back on all the way up, and bring it on in. We're gonna go ahead and sit onto your right hip. We're gonna stack our knees, ankles, and hips. You're gonna come down onto your right elbow. Left hand is going to push the ring down into your mat here. So one padded part's in my mat, one hand is pressing on the other padded part. My right elbow is right underneath my shoulder. I'm gonna take a nice big inhale. Don't do anything with the ring yet. You're going to push your hips up into a modified side plank and hold for 10. What's going to happen is in 9, I'm going to add a magic circle squeeze. In 5, you're gonna push that left hand down. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Push that left hand down. Bring it back on up for 10. 9. Go in 8. Go in 7. You have 6. Go in 5. In 4. We're going to add a leg extension here in 3. Go in 2. Last one, hold. Now, press the circle down, pause. Extend your left leg out. Bend your left knee in, re-extend the ring up. Again, press the ring. Extend the leg. Bend it in. Reset that ring for 9. Press. Extend. Bend. Reset. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Make sure you are breathing through this and not holding that breath. We have 5 more. Go for 5. Press up and out of that right shoulder for me. 4. Go in 3. We are almost there. 2. What's going to happen? 1, press down, extend that left leg, pause. Now pulse that left leg up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Ring's gonna go into your hands. You're gonna go ahead and lay all the way down onto your back for me. Once you are on your back, ring is gonna go between your knees. You're gonna hold a soft squeeze to keep it between those knees. I recommend slightly turning out your knees. Gotta bring like your big toes together. Arms are gonna go nice and long down by the sides of the body. I'm just gonna go ahead and correct my hips real quick. I'm gonna walk them down a little bit. And back to tabletop. Now, slow and controlled. You're going to squeeze into that ring, release it back on out. Nice inner thighs. If you are someone who pulls into the hip flexor in a tabletop like this, I want you to put your toes down and then squeeze into that ring from there. You're still gonna get that inner thigh burn, whether your toes are touching or if you're up in that tabletop. The tabletop just adds a little bit of core in there. In 5, we're gonna slowly extend our legs out. In 3, 2, 1. Slow and controlled. Extend those legs. Bend it on in for 10, 9. Go in 8. Go in 7. In 6. Back to a tabletop and squeeze. In 5. Go in 4. Go in 3. You got 2. On this last one, we extend, bend it on in, right away, squeeze in and out again for 10, 9, 8, in 7, you're gonna hold that center squeeze in 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab that ring, bring it on in. Go ahead, sit onto now your left hip there. Again, we're gonna stack knees, ankles, hips. Left elbow now goes down. Right hand takes the ring, presses it down into your mat. Take a nice big inhale. On this exhale, press those hips up and hold. In 10, we're gonna push that ring down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, press the ring down, release it up for 10, 9, 8, in 7, I'm gonna add a right leg extension here. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We press the ring down, pause. Extend that right leg, bend it on in, reset that ring for 10. Press, lengthen, bend, release. 9, press, lengthen, bend. 8, you got this. Going 7, 6, same thing on this side. In 5, we're gonna hold that right leg out. In 4, keep fighting here. In 3, go in 2, and 1 more. Press, extend, hold. Now pulse that right leg up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. So you can do this without the ring, but just know the ring is actually going to assist you on these push-ups. Go ahead and come on to your knees for me. What you're going to do is we're gonna come down with the ring, one padded part down facing on your mat. The other padded part is gonna go onto your chest here. Hands are gonna go right next to that ring. We're gonna walk our knees back so that our hips come down, pull that core in. Close your ribs in, press away from that mat. We're gonna start with a wide push-up first. You're gonna bend your elbows wide, press down into that ring. Slow and control, press it back on up. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my ring just a little bit. I'm gonna go actually lower on my chest, more of my stomach. In 5, let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Press it down. Lengthen up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. If you're advanced, go into that high plank. I don't mind. Or again, get rid of that ring. In 3, I'm gonna change what your elbows are positioned. In 2. One more here. Bring it on in. So first I started with the wide. Now what I want you to do is sink like you're tucking the elbows into the sides of the body. So now you're going to bend those elbows to the sides of the body, extend it on up. Very, very narrow. Last thing here in 3, 2, 1. Bend those elbows. Extend it on up for 10, 9, 8. Go in 7. You got 6. In 5. We're gonna stretch it on out. You are almost there. 4. Tell that mind I got this. For 3. Keep fighting here for 2. One more. Bend those elbows. Press it on up. Shake it on out. Go ahead and grab that ring into those hands. Let's go ahead, lay all the way down onto your back there. Once you're on your back here, you're gonna hook your right foot back into that ring there. Hold the opposite side, bend that left knee, or if you would like to, you can always extend that left leg out and down. You're gonna hold that lovely hamstring stretch here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your right leg, slightly cross over to the left and hold for 10. This one's usually pretty uncomfortable for people. Just try to relax that mind and body down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back through the center there. Drop your right foot down, hook your left foot in, extend it on up and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slightly cross over to the right. Again, really feel that pull in those legs for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to the center. Go ahead and put that ring off to the side. Let's end with that seated meditation there. Bring the bottoms of the feet together. Knees are gonna drop out wide. You can open your arms out to the sides, or you can bring the hands, one stomach, one to the chest. Close those eyes. Relax that mind and body down. Let's take in that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. One more here. Take in that nice big inhale. Thank that body for all that work that it did today. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. Shake it on out. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's Magic Circle. Let me know down below what felt the biggest burn. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.